Hello, welcome back to Miss Anderson's Marvellous Maths. So let's see what we're doing today. So, Marvellous Maths Session 8. Can you believe this is our 8th lesson? Well done for keeping going. So yesterday, what did we think about? We learnt about one less, didn't we? Did you hear the word less at all? Maybe you asked for less broccoli. Maybe you went outside and said, "Oh, look, there are less leaves on the ground." Did you hear it at all? Did you use the word? So let's move on to our warm-up game. Let's get our brains working. So today we're thinking for our game about missing numbers. Now, which numbers are missing from my number line here? Let's see. Pause the button and see if you can figure it out. Hello, welcome back. So what numbers were missing? We've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3. So what number came there? 4, that's right. Then we've got 5, 6. What number should be there? 7, brilliant. And then 8, 9, and 10. I've got one more of those for you to do, this time with slightly higher numbers. So pause the button and see if you can figure out what's not there, what is missing. Hello, welcome back. So did you figure it out? So we've got the number 21. Then what should be there? A 2 and a 2, 22. Well done. We've got 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. What's there? Should be a 28, shouldn't it? Well done. 29 and 30. Did you realise that they were in order of counting? Did you? If you did, well done. Good noticing. So today, now it's going to take you a bit longer to organise yourself today. So you're going to need some counting objects, a pencil, paper, and 5 number lines to 20. Now let me just show you what a number line to 20 looks like. So you ready? Here's a number line to 20. This one here. I'm going to just copy that and I'm going to put one on this screen, and then you can pause it and you will have one there to copy. So you pause the button, make yourself, and you're going to need 5 of those. Even more if you want to have a bit more for practice later. Well done. I'll see you back in a moment. Hello, welcome back. So have you got your number lines? Put them to one side for a moment. So today we're thinking about finding and showing numbers using pictures and objects. So we've got a bit of a matching game to start with. So, oh look, there are those fish from yesterday. They must have swum this way. So we are going to see what these numbers are. Then we're going to count the amounts and see which number goes with which amount. So are you ready? Who can tell me what this number here is? Yes, that's right. It's a number 19. Well done. And what about this one? Number 10. Oh, what a nice golden number 10. And finally, what's this number here? The number 16. Now you're going to pause the button and you're going to count the objects and see which number matches which object. So come back to me when you finish counting. If you're finding it a bit confusing to count all of them, count one at a time, and you can keep pausing when I give you the answers in a moment. I'll see you back here in a while. Hello, so did you do it? Did you work it out? So how many fish have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who remembered there were 10 fish in that pile from yesterday? Yeah, well done. So which of these numbers is the number 10? The purple background, the black background, or the golden one? Yeah, it's that golden one. They match, don't they? And now, what about, let's go to the apples next. How many apples have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Which number is 19? It can be a bit tricky because a 6 and a 9 look a bit similar. They're just round different ways, aren't they? Is it this one? No, it's this one, isn't it? Well done. Now, I wonder which one's going to come next. There's only one number left, but we're going to check, aren't we? We're not just going to say it must be. So you ready? 1, 2. I'm going to do super counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And here is that number 16. Did you manage it? Oh, fabulous. Well done. Very proud of you. Now, we've got some dogs. Aren't they nice? Who here likes dogs? I like dogs. I've got a dog called Missy at home. So here are some dogs. Now, every time we count a dog, we're going to draw a small circle. Now, that means we're going to represent the dogs, because it would take us ages to draw 9 dogs, wouldn't it? But we need to remember that number. So you can pause the button and draw a circle for each dog. So 9 circles. You ready? Did you do it? So here we go. Here is the circle for this dog. Here is a circle for this dog. Here's the one for this one. Here's the one for this one. Here's the one for that one. There's the one for that one. There's the one for that one. There's the one for that one. And there's the one for that one. There is one circle for every dog. Now, I like to put them all in a nice and neat line to keep them nice and contained and easy to count. Let's move on and see what we're going to do with this. Now, you can also put those dots onto one of your number lines. So here is a number line. Did you draw your number line like mine? And then can you see I've put a dot there to represent that one. So that's a number 1. There's one dot on the top of it. And that's for one dog, isn't it? All of these dots represent one of those dogs. So we should have a dot on 9 of our numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, we won't have a number 10 because we haven't got a number 10. If one more dog came along, we'd have number 10, but we haven't. Now we're going to move on. Here is, what number is it? That's right, the number 13. You're going to draw 13 circles on your paper to represent that number 13. You're going to then count them to check you have the right amount. Then you're going to show 13 on your number line. So you can either draw circles like we did on the last slide, or you can draw jumps like this. You always start at the 0 though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So when we're counting from 0, you start from the 0. Okay? So see if you can do that. Now, I'm going to leave this up to help you. You don't need to do this one on your own, but in a moment, you're going to have a go at doing these things on your own. Okay? Well done. Press pause. Have a go now. Hello, welcome back. Did you manage it? Did it look like mine? Have you got 9 jumps? Did you have your 13 circles? Well done. I think you might be ready to have a go by yourself. So here we go. Here is the number, what's that number? 19. And what's this number? 15. Now I'm going to put that one under there because I want you to just concentrate on one number at a time. So you are going to write the number 19 on your page, and you're going to draw your 19 circles to represent that number. So if we had 19 dogs, you would have 19 circles to represent them. If you had 19 bananas, you'd have 19 circles to represent them. After that, you're going to pick up one of your number lines and you are going to draw either the dots onto it or the jumps. I'd be really impressed if you drew those jumps because that's what you're going to need to do in your maths lessons at school. So you ready? Press pause and have a go. Hello, welcome back. How did you do? Let's look at that number 19 first and see if that's what you did. So here are 19 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 circles. Now let's move me up to the top of the screen. And let's see, did you manage to do your 19 jumps? So you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, did you see along here, it got a bit muddled up. Look, it's not quite on the number, so you've got to be really careful that you have got it exactly on the number, otherwise you can get very, very confused. So now we're going to go back and I want you to have a go at the number 15. So press pause and I'll see you back in a minute. Hello, welcome back. Did you do the number 15? Did you remember to draw all your 15 circles and your 15 jumps? Excellent, well done. You've learnt to use a number line. How amazing is that? And you now know that you are representing with circles and on your number line, don't you? Now, you don't always have to do the circles and the number line. You can just do the circles or the number line. But when we go on to addition, this is going to help you do that. Okay, now that's enough for today. In the next session, we're going to be writing numbers in words. Oh, so we're going to be doing a bit of number spelling. But until then, practice counting and then drawing the same amount on paper. And if you really want to, you can draw some more number lines for yourself and practice doing it on there as well. Well done for today. You should be really proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.